Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this time I'm gonna be looking like an e-girl. Right, so I've been to the University of YouTube and Google, so I think I have all the information needed to fulfill this look, and I think it's kind of cute. So let's see how well I do. I got my nearest t-shirts. I don't have silver jewelry, so I just wore my chokers and a beanie and this black wig. But so far, so good. Let's see what we can do with this upper region here. I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how to become an e-girl, Caribbean style, keep on watching. Hello and welcome to all. I'm back with another video, and I hope that you enjoy this very interesting yet different and exciting new look that I have. So I start off by doing my brows with my usual go-to products, my Inglot Gel Liner in dark brown. Then next I clean it up with my concealer from Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Sand. Next I use my foundation above my eyebrows to give me that fleeky look. I use my Revlon Photoready primer to prime my face. I know usually I would jump into my eyeshadow first, but not this time. I'm going to use my face first before I do my eyeshadow because it's going to be different. So I prime my face, and then next I apply my L'Oreal True Match foundation to my skin. When I feel like my face is completely blended out to my liking, next I take my concealer in the same shade and I highlight my forehead, under my eyes, my eyelids, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Next I take my beauty sponge from Sacha Cosmetics and I blend it out. I set my concealer with my Dermablend setting powder in the shade Banana all over the concealed areas. Next, I take my NYX, and this NYX, I can't remember the name of the shade, I'll list it in the description below. But I apply it on the back of my hand, as you can see. And then I take a fluffy blending brush and I apply it on my nose. So I just first pat it in, and if I think I didn't, and when I thought that I did not have enough, I went and applied more. So it was a building up process. So now an e-girl, this is a subculture, and this subculture dresses a particular way. They are gamers, they are always online. And so I thought this was really cute. They look so cute. And it was a fun idea for me to do, and so I decided to do it. And they apply blush all over the nose and onto the cheeks. So it has this kind of sick girl look. You look like you have the flu. I think this was the first time I ever looked like I actually had the flu without having the flu. So yes, I blend as much as possible because I don't want it to just look like it's been placed onto my face. I take my face powder and put it over it so that it looks natural, so that it goes into the skin and looks as one and not look like it's sitting on my face. Next, I take my face powder and I set the rest of my face, because if you would have seen earlier, all I did was set my concealed areas. I did not set the rest of my face. Then next, I take the same lipstick and apply it as eyeshadow. So for those who may not know, lipstick can also be used for eyeshadow. Here, as you can see, I used it as a base and not as my only lid shade, because I felt like it would not have shown up well if I had only used the blush powder. So it was able to be a foundation for my blush shade and make it stand out more. After blending it out, I apply my True Radiance. I think I'm mixing it up. My Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, where I contour the sides of my face, you know, just under my cheekbones. And then I blend out where the blush is under my eyes there, so that it looks a little more natural and not like a harsh line on my face. Then I go back to contouring my jawline. I contour my nose a little bit as well. I even applied some bronzer. I just wanted it to look as natural, so I was trying to get everything to blend in as one. Sometimes they just use blush, but I was definitely contouring. Then I wanted to get that button nose finish, so I applied my highlighter on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose and the other highlighted areas. Next, I started applying fake or faux freckles, as we call it. I tried to make it look as natural as possible. So I used my gel liner from Girl, what I used for my brows. I applied it onto my face, and then I take my blending brush and went over it so that it looks like it's into the skin and not sitting on top of the skin. Then I took my face powder brush and went over that as well. Next, I take my Inglot Gel Liner to apply eyeliner onto my eyes. They love a bold winged eyeliner, so I really wanted to get that effect. They also apply hearts just on the apples of their cheeks or just under their eyes. It depends on where you want to place it, really. Sometimes it's a heart or a smiley face at the corner just under their eye, or a star. So I wanted to go with the heart. There's also a Snapchat filter where they apply hearts under your eyes. I feel that is like the e-girl filter. I take my Forever Matte by Ruby Kiss and I apply my lipstick. I didn't want my lipstick to be a solid black shade, so I left the innermost parts of my mouth to apply the same lipstick shade that I would have used as blush on the inner part, and I set it with my blush palette. And then I blend it out so I don't look chalky like that, and you can see the finished look. I really hope I looked like an eagle. If you think I look like an eagle, comment down below and let me know. Also, if you think you would like to see a more in detail look of an eyeliner, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Till next time.